Hello everyone, in today's class we will solve another important question, which is counting the number of pairs with a given sum. This question is very common and asked in a lot of coding interview rounds. So the question is, given an array of integers and an integer k, find the count of pairs of elements in the array whose sum is equal to k. So we have to return the number of pairs whose sum is equal to k. So how do we solve this? Let us take an example. For example, I have a number 1, 5, 7 and 1. I have an array of 4 elements and the given sum is 6. Okay, so how many pairs are there which add to make 6? 2 pairs, which are 1 comma 5, this one 1 and 5, and another pair is 5 comma 1, 2 pairs. Answer should be 2. So how do we solve this? Okay, first we need to start traversing the array from first element to the second last element. From the first element till here, second last element 7. Then for each element find the number of elements after it. For each element, for 1 we need to find the number of elements after it, like here, which adds up to make the given number, the given sum. Okay, so for 1 we need to find the number of elements after this, which add to make 6. So it is 5. We need to find sum minus number. Here sum is 6, number is 1. We need to find how many elements, which are 5, number of 5's after 1. In the same way, it is only 1, after 1 it is this one only. When we come to 5, we need to find number of elements after 5 which add to make 6, this one only. So 2, till here answer is 2. We come to this 7, number of elements after 7 which add to make 6, no elements, so answer returned is 2. So let us start coding. Okay, so here we need to take number of t-test cases. First line, okay. First line, each test case contains 2 space separated integers n and k denoting size of the array and sum respectively. Second line, test case n space separated. Okay, now the t number of test cases, t, c in t, taking t, now making test case for int a0 equal to 0, a0 smaller than t, comma a0 plus plus. Okay, so t test cases. For each test case we have n and k. Let us take it as sum. Okay, now take input sum n and sum, c in n and sum. I have made the number k as sum, so no problem in that. So int arr initialize an array of length n. Now take the input in this array. Okay, I am taking input in this array. Okay, input taken. Okay, so we need to make 2 for loops for I. First one 0 to n minus 2. That is 0 to n minus 2 I plus plus. Okay, so let us name the element in num. Okay, so this is the ith element. Num is the ith element. Now we need to find the elements after this which add to the given sum. So for loop j, which starts from I plus 1th element to j should be smaller than n, comma j plus plus. Okay, and okay, we need to declare an answer also, and answer number of pairs. Answer is the number of pairs which is initially 0. So from I plus 1 to n minus 1 j, if array j is equal to sum minus num, then we need to add to our answer. So we found an element. Okay, so can you see what is happening here? If the element is equal to sum minus num, that is these two elements add to make the given sum, we upgrade our answer, we add 1 to our answer. That is, we found one more element. So we need to return we need to return the answer. Cout answer. Okay, now let us test our answer. Compile and test. Requested ready for evaluation, and it is taking a lot of time. Okay, I think the answer is correct. Let's see. It is taking a lot of time. I don't know why. Oh, the correct answer. Thanks for watching.